Hey guys, I got a lot of questions of people asking me if it's possible to take an image and create a vector from it. So, like for example, for logo designs. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a little prompt here. Cute cartoon animal logo vector, light blue and red. And I could even say 16 colors. All right. So let's see what Midjourney is going to generate us. So let's see what Midjourney will generate for us. Of course, this is going to be a rastered image. So it's pixelated, it's not good quality. Technically, you're not supposed to use this for print or for any large scale printing. But I will show you a technique to take your images and convert them into vector files. So I like this one a lot. I could use for a logo or even this one. So I'm going to take this first one because the background is white. It's going to be a bit easier. So I'm going to upscale my third image here. And actually, I don't even need to upscale it since we're going to convert it to vector, so we'll be able to scale it afterwards. Yeah, so for the purpose of this video, I could even just take a print screen, a screenshot of this image, and then open it inside of Illustrator, paste it so it's really low quality. As you can see, if I zoom in, there's a lot of pixels. Everything is blurry. This is bad quality. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it. If you go into your layers here, you see there's only one layer. But inside of Illustrator, under Object, you can go to to Image, Trace, and click Make. This will convert your image. By default, we're going to select 16 colors here. Zoom in, you see it's a lot better. There's no more pixels. Everything looks almost vector. Now you can click expand, and it converted everything into shapes which you could then modify inside of Illustrator. I could expand this. I could play. It really converted everything into a vector file. So I want to remove my background. That's the reason why I took this one in the first place. Now I can select my image and just scale it and make it as big as I want. I will not lose any quality. So this is a trick to convert the image into a vector file. I did this with a very low resolution screenshot. If I take the real image now, which is a lot bigger, and go into Illustrator, paste it here, and let's do exactly the same steps. I do have a better result. So the better the quality is, the best results you will get. But this was a quick tip to let you know how to create your images inside of Midjourney and then create huge vector files with it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.